You work hard, you show up every day, you follow the rules, you do what you're told, but the money disappears. The bill keeps growing, and the dream they sold you, it stays just out of reach. You try to save, but the piggy bank always ends up broken. You chase the next paycheck, but it vanishes like smoke. They never taught you how this works. They only taught you how to stay in the system. Death wraps around like a chains. Fear keeps you from speaking up. Hopelessness whispers that this is just the way life is. But deep down, something doesn't feel right. Because you weren't meant to live drop. You weren't born just to survive. You were meant to break free. And maybe, just maybe, that spark, that idea, that feeling is still alive inside you. You were never trained to build wealth. You were programmed to stay broke. From the moment you could walk, they handed you a wheel. Told you to run faster, go to school, get the job, pay the bills, sleep, wake up, repeat. And while you run, someone else watch, someone profit. The system wasn't broken, it was built this way. Built to extract your time, your energy, your dreams. They sell you distractions. Tell you success is one more hassle away, one more payment, one more weekend loss. But it's a game you were never meant to win. Because the truth is, you're not chasing the freedom, you're powering the machine. And the moment you realize, it's the moment everything starts to change. Before you fix your bank account, you have to fix your brain. First, the scarcity mindset. You are so afraid of losing, you never give yourself the chance to win. Second, the victim mentality. Blame keeps you comfortable but powerless. Third, short-term pleasure. Every hour you trade for distraction is stolen from your future. Fourth, fear of judgment. You rather hide your talent than raise their opinion. And fifth, waiting for perfection. A lifetime spent saying not yet ends with nothing to show. There are chains that hold you down. Break them and you rise because the real prison is in your mind. And when you free that, no one can stop you. No one is coming to save you. No lottery ticket, no miracle check, no hero. But you can learn to save yourself. The truth they never taught you is that wealth isn't about luck. It's about knowledge, assets that work for you, leverage that multiplies your effort. It's skills that can't be taken away, ownership that gives you control. Once you know this, the world can never change you again. You can't escape what you don't measure. You wouldn't drive across the country without a map. So why live your life without one? For your money, even dollar must be tracked. What comes in, what goes out. No hiding, no guessing. Because when you see the truth on paper, you can finally start changing it. The first step to freedom is clarity. And clarity starts with knowing your numbers. You don't have your excuses are real. They are heavy and they're hard to face. But they don't pay your bills. They don't feed your family. Only your actions do. Some excuses need to be destroyed. Some need to be turned into reasons to fight harder. And the sooner you throw them over the edge, the sooner your path becomes clear. You escape, and the chains that once bound you have crumbled into dust. The weight on your shoulders is gone, replaced by strength you didn't know you had. The world looks different now, brighter, wider, full of paths that you never saw before. Not because the world changed, but because you did. And once you cross this threshold, there is no going back, only forward. This is your moment, right now. Don't just watch and walk away. Hit subscribe so you don't miss the steps that follow. Comment I'm ready so you declare it out loud. Share this with someone who's still stuck in that hamster wheel. Because every day you wait is a day you don't get back. And staying broke, that's optional. But taking action, that's a choice. Make it.